Hello. My name's Taylor. Mine's Ashley. There's my horse. Hang on. And this is T. And this is Lady, which you cannot see. Yeah, you can't see Lady. Wait. Move her into the front of the camera. Walk by. Lady. Okay. We are going to race. And you will watch us. He's going to win. Okay, we've raced about 5 times, and guess who won all those other times? Him. Him. Walk it back. You just walk straight ahead. Let's let him walk up there.